Welcome, today we're going to show you how to fix this build of Vanguard requires TPM 2.0 in Valorant. So how to actually fix this issue? So you need to actually open the BIOS settings and turn on secure boot. So if you have this exact issue when you are trying to start Valorant, I'll see from here, you need to do the method that I'm going to show you right now. First you need to open the start menu, then you need to go to system information. Click on it, and now from here you need to see the BIOS mode and make sure that it is UEFI. Close this menu, and now you need to open the start menu again and search for TPM MSC. Click on it, and from here make sure that the status of the TPM is ready for use. I'll see from here. So now you need to actually just click on the start menu and click on the power options and restart your PC. So after you restart your PC, when it's actually starting up or booting up, you need to spam the delete button or the F1, F2, F12 or F13 buttons to make sure that you actually open the BIOS settings depending on your device type. So each device will have its own button to start the BIOS settings. After that, from the BIOS settings, I'll see from here, you need to go to security options and find the secure boot option. Make sure that you enable it. I'll see from here. On some devices, the secure boot option won't be on the security options, so you can actually try to find it somewhere else on the settings, advanced settings, or any place on the BIOS settings. So after you enable it, just save the settings and boot your device again. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.